Good morning, guys. Welcome to the stream. So, according to my hypothesis of the day, we traded into a premium yesterday, filling in that gap there. And then I think we'll actually take out this liquidity, London's liquidity. Uh, and that's kind of my target for the beginning of the day. So we'll be targeting that. If we look at the 1 hour here, see, get the 1 hour. We have a couple gaps or fair value gaps up here that we could possibly fill in. So I'm gonna be looking for inversion fair value gap on the 930. So let's see. Left this gap open. We have minor buy side up here. And right, so we got that. I'm just waiting for price. And then we'll check the news. We got Jolt's job openings. This looks at 10 a.m. President Trump speaks at 5:10. Okay. Dollars not looking so good. A little bounce off this order block here. Check out the buy side we delineated on the chart. All right. Would like to see an inversion here. It'd be nice to fill that in, come back into it, and see a sell off down to a sell side. I might be wrong as far as my bias, but going to wait for a trade there. We are trading inside this range. Let's see. We are at a premium, so this might be a good little spot to see some actions toward the sell side. Still holding that fair value gap is still giving support for price. See if we take it up into that little volume imbalance. We have a swing high here. We'll see if we get another swing high, which would be a failure to break above that swing. I'm gonna go ahead and sell one short here. My stop loss just about there. And then I would take my profit down here. All right. All right, let's see if we can get a push below that. Go ahead and break that to even. Stopped out. Probably shouldn't be taking this trade. It's probably gonna go up against me, but because we're seeing a lot of price respecting that fair value gap. Yeah, if anything, I should have been buying here, but Should have waited for the break lower here. Actually break that fair value gap before we take a sell, because it was respecting that really nicely. And we're gonna get stopped out for sure. But that's why we trade, to learn from our mistakes. And that's why we trade with paper account. Well, what I should have did really bad trading there, but I should have waited till this broke, or at least something gave me signs of shift of order flow. Instead, I just took trades, assuming that we were hitting a top, and that is not good. Wasn't letting the market show me if there was a trade to take, or shift in order flow, or structure, or something. Because when the price is respecting fair value gaps like that, and then it's usually bullish or bearish depending on which side you're on. Bless me. It's been a great to be a buyer today. The only reason why I wasn't a buyer, I've been testing out a couple things, and I'm refining that hypothesis. But basically, if like here, for example, this price action trade into a premium, it usually reverses or takes out London's liquidity if we traded in premium yesterday. But I think what we should have seen is that Asia traded in the discount, so London and New York could continue to go towards a buy side or a sell side. So, I mean, towards the buy side liquidity. Asia did kind of did the work for us as far as going down to a discount. We'll have to just keep an eye on that. I think here's the scenario. If we traded into a premium yesterday and Asia didn't trade into a discount and London went higher, then New York should take some liquidity out. If what should we call it? I think I need to know where like we're at in New York session are we according to a discount or a premium? That's where we need to figure out. Or where was it coming from, a discount or a premium? Like, where did London trade from, and where did Asia trade from? Because if honestly, if I should have analyzed this, but if now we see we can make maybe a new rule, or kind of going back to suspicious, if Asia trades into a discount, then we can expect London and New York to continue to a to buy side. Because any sell side like here, I guess only there really, and this is left untouched. But this sell side was taken, so anybody that was in trades and that moved their stop losses up here, they were taken out here. That's manipulation. After that was taken out, now we can continue. We can look for the buy side here. Almost taken out yesterday's high. There's no order block here, so might ride on through. I want to see a retracement, and then we can push on through to up here possibly. Not maybe not today, but maybe today or tomorrow. This would have been a really great time to buy. In hindsight. I hate that when when you're in a trade, you have a feeling, you're like, you definitely have the feeling like this trade is not gonna work out. And then I think during those times I need to just literally, if I'm $100 down or whatever, it's better than it going up to hitting my stop loss and reevaluate. Because I definitely feel it when it's not working out. I mean, you can tell when it's not working out by going against you, but you just, when you see things like that, your mind's suddenly like, hey, you might be on the wrong side. Just took out yesterday's high. Should have bought off of this candle here, because this was respected. We had a big move up. Candle went down. Should have bought there. Hit that block with the high. High of this 21,507. Lowest 21,507.50. So these candles hit exactly like that's let's see, 75, and this one's 50 cents. Well, this is a really good rip up there. I should have known once we took out this south side here that we are so close to this buy side. I'm sorry, once we took out this buy side, we were so close to this buy side that the algorithm will just start to run for that area. And we have a gap up here, or a fair value gap up here that it could run up into. Well, I think I'm going to be done for the day. That would have been nice. 153. It's not as much as I thought it would be. Alright, guys, well, kind of missed the move there, but I think I'm going to call it a day. Get ready for other things. Well, what we learned today is one, wait for a breakdown on a PD array before you start selling short. And then two, we need to look at if Asia trades into a discount, then we can expect London and New York to take out a buy side if Asia trades into a discount for the most part. So we will write those things down and building a trading plan on how to be. Well, you're gonna have losers either way, but building a trading plan on my mistakes, and hopefully we will be profitable with. Or I mean, we are profitable now, and not on this. I'm doing a leap account. Can I remove that? I'm doing a leap account right now, and then I have my Fulton's trades account here that we're still up on 26,700. We started with a 25 account. With a leap, I'm down about 2,000, but my contracts are a lot bigger. Anyways, I think we can get this back up, but yeah, there's really nothing to say about this one. I do want to look at yesterday or the day before how I traded that. Let me see. Oh, that's right, I didn't trade yesterday. But I do remember, yeah, that's what it was. We traded here, thinking it's gonna go up, slam down, and then higher. Okay. All right. I hope you guys have